Just hold me tight, real tight. I'm only human. Please be there. Hold me like the river Jordan, and I will say to thee, you are my friend. Carry me like you are my brother. Love me like a mother. Would you be there? Show me. Lay your head slowly. Carry me. Lift me up slowly. Yeah. I will be blessed. Mary, tell me, will you hold me? When wrong, will you scold me? When lost, will you find me? But they told me a man should be faithful and walk when not able, and fight till the end. I'm only human. Show me. Please be there. Everyone's taking control of me. Seems like the world's gotta run for me. I'm so confused. Will you show to me? You'll be there for me and care enough to bear me.
Hold me.
Show me. I need your loving.
Kiss me and free me.
Oh.
I will feel blessed.
Find somebody right now
Carry me boldly.
just to hold and tell them that you love
Pick me
them.
up slowly.
Tell them they mean the world to
Carry
you.
me there.
I love you, mama.
Save me.
I love you, daddy.
Heal me and feed me.
I love you, brother.
Softly you save me.
Hold me.
I will be there.
I love you. I love you all.
Raise me. Lift me up slowly.
Just hold me.
Carry me boldly. Show me you care.
You can carry me.
Hold me.
I'm only human,
Lay your head lonely.
and I get lonely sometimes too.
And boldly. Carry me there.
You know you're my friend. I love you. Save me.